Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm standing in front of this 2022 Harris 250 Solstice. This boat is equipped with the white exterior with the black powder coated fence and a Mercury 300 horsepower. The boat has 69 engine hours on it. Let's climb aboard, check out the interior here. We have the pillow top chestnut brown. Beautiful luxury looking with the interior lighting package. You can see the RGB in the cup holders, and then it's also underneath the seat. A little bright out today. It does have the single lounger dual helm configuration. Again, 69.4 motor hours. Does have the Simrad, upgraded JL audio, digital with the raised helm. Beautiful boat. Freshly traded in, upgraded flooring. Again, this is a 2022 Harris 250 Solstice. For more information, call us at 573-606-3022. Look forward to getting you out on the water.